Okay, I've got my chest protector on, a back protector underneath the suit, which made it a little tighter. As you can see, the neck, just when I'm tight, it's a little tight. It's not bad. I don't know if you go half inch, inch or something out of the neck, not sure it's supposed to fit. And it's a little tight under the armpits a little bit now that I've got this back protector on. Back protector goes down about here. The solid back protector goes up to about the back of my neck. I don't know how you think the back of the neck fits. Do you think that's about right? It doesn't bother me or anything. So the only thing that really kind of bothers me a little bit is the neck, and even when it's zipped all the way up, I can ride like that, so it's not really bothersome. But a little bit of room in here would be nice, just to I don't feel it kind of choke me sometimes. Other than that, I think it's going to work even with my back protector, my chest protector underneath the suit here. So I went down. You can see the hip protector, hip pads right here. Just thinking maybe a little more leather in case this hip protector pad slides off. So maybe just a little extra double leather protection there. And then on the back, we've got this nice little tailbone extra piece there. Be nice just to have some extra leather there, kind of going across the whole rear section, and just in case I'm sliding on my backside and I can't feel it, it's just I don't have much more protection besides this leather. So if we could maybe just double it up right there, I think it would be really nice for anyone that's in an adapted suit. I think that would be a pretty nice addition. So I mean, I really like this this hip pad here in the side. That would be really nice. When I was talking about here, I use stomp grip pads on my tank, and it's not too bad. I mean, I don't really need this as much, I guess, but you can see it's just kind of turning this material. It's kind of hard to see. It's kind of frizzing it up a little bit. I've heard that a lot with other people that ride with leather suits, that the stomp grip pads are really aggressive on the leather even. But being I can't squeeze the tank, I'm just kind of got my legs strapped up next to the tank. I don't think it's as bad, but I just don't know. I've only did 10 track days, and I can kind of start to see some wear in this area. So I don't know if there's just a little extra, this is kind of where the knee is here, a little extra leather in there to help protect that against the grip pads, and it's kind of like right where your zippers are. So I don't know. Like I said, this isn't quite as important to me, because that's up for that's more for longevity of the suit. This stuff is more for protection. This hip pad, if my leg comes off of there, or if this hip pad slides off my hip as I'm sliding or something like that, it'd just be nice to have a little extra leather there, a little extra right on the seat, like where the tailbone goes. My back protector only comes down to about the bottom of this area of the suit. Like I said, the front seems pretty good. I always kind of thought it looked like the front could go down a little bit, maybe the back will go up a little bit, but I don't know. You'll see the other video where I show how it fits in my back. I mean, it feels fine to me. My helmet fits fine, so I think the back might be fine. Just a little bit out of the front where it kind of rubs on my neck would be nice. So, okay, I'll put all the videos together here, and we'll see what you come up with.